you tired of battling repetitive Linux tasks? Copying files, updating systems, sifting through logs? It feels like a never-ending cycle, right? What if I told you there's a way to automate all of that? Imagine getting hours of your life back every single week. Today, I'm challenging you to unlock your Linux superpowers. We're diving into basic, beginner-friendly scripts that will instantly simplify your workflow, making you more efficient than ever. You don't need to be a coding genius, just ready to make Linux work for you. Hey everyone, Secure Start AU here, and if you're serious about boosting your productivity and reclaiming your time, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover why even the simplest scripts are game changers, your first automation wins, practical examples you can use today, the essential building blocks of scripting, and how to push your automation beyond the basics. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll be ready to automate your first task and transform your Linux experience forever. Let's be real. We all use Linux because of its power and flexibility, but that power often comes with a cost: repetitive commands. Think about it. How many times have you typed sudo apt update and then sudo apt upgrade? Or moved files from your downloads to specific project folders? These little actions add up. That's where automation comes in. Even basic scripts, just a few lines of code, can turn those hour-long chores into single command executions. Imagine clicking one button, or even having your computer do it while you're grabbing coffee. This isn't just about saving time. It's about reducing errors, increasing consistency, and freeing your mental energy for more complex creative tasks. I'm going to show you real-world examples you can use immediately. This isn't theoretical. This is about making Linux work smarter, not harder, for you. All right, let's get our hands dirty with some immediate wins. These are scripts you can literally copy-paste and adapt for your own system right after watching this video. First, system updates and cleaning. Instead of running multiple commands manually, let's create a script that does it all. Here's a simple one. Pause the video and follow the code on screen. Save this as update.sh. Make it executable with chmod plus x update.sh and run / update.sh does everything. No more forgetting a step. No more missed steps or multiple passwords. Just one command for a snappier, more secure machine. Next, let's tackle file organization. Is your downloads folder a disaster? Here's how to move all PDF files to documents, PDFs, and JPG files to pictures, JPEGs. Pause the video and follow the code on screen. Think of the time you'll save if you download a lot. Finally, let's set up scheduled tasks. Ever forget a backup? Ever miss a backup? With cron and a simple script, you never will again. Let's say you want to back up your important project data folder every night at 2 a.m. First, your backup script. Pause the video and follow the code on screen. Open your cron tab with cron tab E and add this line: 002 path to your backup script.sh. And just like that, automated backups every night. These are just the beginning, folks. Now that you've seen the power, let's look under the hood. You don't need a computer science degree to understand these basics. First up, the Linux shell. That's your command line. Scripts are just sequences of commands you'd normally type, saved in a file. We start with code that tells the system to use the bash interpreter. Simple, right? Next, let's talk about variables and input. Think of variables as placeholders for information. Instead of typing a path repeatedly, you can store it. Input code. Pause the video and follow the code on screen. Expected output. Pause the video and check the code on screen. This makes your scripts flexible and interactive. Now, onto conditional logic and loops. This is where scripts get smart. If statements let your script make decisions. Input code. Pause the video and follow the code on screen. Expected output. Pause the video and check the code on screen. And for loops allow you to repeat actions, which is incredibly powerful for processing multiple files or items. Input code. Pause the video and follow the code on screen. Expected output. Pause the video and check the code on screen. Master these basics, and you're well on your way to automating almost anything. Once you're comfortable with the fundamentals, the sky's the limit. You can start integrating third-party tools into your scripts. Imagine automating downloads, processing JSON data, building robust error handling, or even managing servers remotely. Let's start with web downloads. Instead of manually fetching files, you can automate it with a one-liner. Next, data processing. JSON is everywhere. APIs, configs, logs. With JQ, you can filter and extract exactly what you need. What if your script fails? Instead of crashing silently, you can add error handling and logging. That way, you'll always know what went wrong. Networking tasks are a classic use case. With just a few lines, you can copy files, sync directories, or even automate remote monitoring. For networking pros, automate SSH logins and file transfers. Picture a script that checks your servers and emails you a report every morning. And that's just the beginning. Combine these building blocks, downloading, parsing, error handling, networking, and you can automate almost anything. From fetching daily reports to syncing servers, your scripts can work while you sleep. So, you've seen the power of automating Linux tasks, from basic updates to complex scheduled operations. Now it's your turn. Your challenge this week: identify one daily Linux task you currently do manually and turn it into a script. It could be as simple as clearing your trash, backing up a folder, or even just checking your system's free space. Share your idea or even your script in the comments below. I'll be in there, replying to as many as I can, and maybe even highlighting some in a future video. If this video helped you reclaim even 5 minutes of your day, smash that like button. Every like tells me you want more practical Linux content like this. And if you know someone still manually grinding through their Linux tasks, share this video with them. Let's help more people unlock their automation potential. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive into making your tech life easier and more efficient. Thank you so much for watching. Now go forth, automate, and dominate your Linux workflow.